gonna have a helper today because I've got this. Before we begin, let me introduce to you Skylar.
Hi guys.
She's gonna help me with some. Let me just get right to it. Here.
How much tape do they use?
I got this from a company called Litake, and we're gonna show everybody what it is.
I think I know what it is.
I said it was an RC vehicle of some sort. It's some kind of RC product.
Let's get out of here. It's Remote Control Snow Plow, guys.
Guys, who are you talking to?
Camera.
The camera, but I promise you there's probably only one person watching this at a time. It's when you say guys, that's for like a bajillion people watching at once. All right. Okay. Boom, look at that.
Knew it.
That is an RC snow sweeper. Basically, it's a little RC snow plow. And it's snowing right now. Really? It says it's got 360 direction, so it can go turning all kinds of ways. Simulated real manipulation of the snow plow. Manipulation. Super die cast, 1/18 scale, 2.4 gigahertz. So we shouldn't get any kind of gigahertz.
You said gigahertz.
Maybe we should throw her out the door. It says it's got a powerful snow shovel for ages 8 and up, so she just qualifies. She's 9.
Yay.
Let's open this baby up. No, don't rip the box. Not everyone on YouTube has to tear the box to shreds.
I like to tear the box to shreds.
Everyone always just rips the box, but you're the one YouTuber that takes things out all carefully.
Pull the insides out of its body.
We might have to turn the box. We can turn the box that way.
My head.
This is it. Oh, there. We get some.
It looks
That's what
orange.
it looks like. It's yellow.
Orange.
It plugs in to charge with a USB cable with a special type of outlet on the other side. So if you lose this, you're probably screwed. It's a shame it's not just a micro USB or something like that on that side. I've never seen a cardboard thing come with screws attached to it. They're usually just these twist ties like this. But they definitely make sure this thing is not coming out easily until we throw them away.
I have a collection.
I'll be right back. Don't put it.
I'm up. I'm blue, da dee da dee da da dee da da dee da da. I'm blue, da dee da da dee da da dee da da dee da die. Blue, da dee da dee da da.
We're not doing it. We're just going to show everybody what's coming in the future. We're going to have a Red Rocket Day soon, so make sure you click like, subscribe, and follow along, and you'll get to see us play with our Red Rockets.
Red Rockets.
It's the pain getting all this out.
You farted while we were eating.
What?
You farted while you were just eating frosting out of a cup.
Okay, we're talking about this right now, Skylar. So we've got the little snow plow, and it comes with a remote, and we're gonna need batteries, it looks like. So I could have checked the box for this. 2 AA's for that. It's got a rechargeable battery here. That's what the cable's for. So I guess you have to take the battery out to charge it looks like, and the battery connects into here. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's pretty cool. The plow goes up and down.
Plow it.
Wow.
Plow
That is pretty cool, man. Oh, it's got lights. Go forward. And go backwards. Yep, they all come up. That is pretty cool. So it's got working headlights and taillights, although they're all red. All right, let's. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description so you can pick one of these up. Here's the die cast. Is this? That's plastic.
Wow!
We're gonna take this outside and play in the snow and see how it does out there.
It looks like a monster.
definitely fun. Though it's much slower. So what do you think, Skylar? Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Are you gonna have a lot of fun with this?
Yes.
Okay, good. It's a little cold today, so we're gonna go inside because our fingers, our little digits are just freezing right now. So
Fingers are red.
we'll finish this up and tell you our final thoughts back inside. I thought we were done and we were just gonna give you our basic opinions and thoughts on the final build and usage of this little snowplow by Light Take, but we just got a pretty heavy snow last night, so I thought that I'd go ahead and try it in a deeper snow. Sort of what I thought, that anything over about 2 or 3 inches and it doesn't really do anything. This is also a day old snow, so it's a little crunchy, which makes it a little harder for it to get through. I took the crunch out, but let's see if it works now. So it's as I thought, pretty much, even with the slightest bit of crunch, it doesn't want to go through it. It won't cut through the snow. So it's a great toy. It really is. It's really well made. It reminds me of the old die-cast trucks and toys that I used to get as a kid, like the big Tonka trucks. It's plastic, but some of it's metal. So it's a mix of plastic and metal. A great toy. I mean, with Christmas coming up, if you live somewhere it snows, this thing would be a blast to give your kids. We'll get Skylar's opinion here and we'll wrap this video up. I think she's gonna agree with me. This is gonna be a blast for kids. Personally think this is pretty cool. Some of the things I've got from Light Take before are hit and miss, but this one's definitely a hit. I would definitely suggest it for your kids or for yourself if you live somewhere that it snows. Over 4 or so inches of snow, it really doesn't do anything. From a dusting
I
to...
almost licked it. That wouldn't taste too good.
Overall, I think this is a pretty cool little toy. It's definitely a toy. You wouldn't want to clear your driveway with it. You know, Christmas is coming. Might be a little too late to get it for this year, but I think it's a gift that could work for your children at any time if you live somewhere that it snows. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like, subscribe, click the little bell icon right over there, and we'll see you next time.
See you guys!
You done? You done? We're done? Now you're done? Okay.